The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 23rd of July. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather trending hotter and drier in coming days, and some tropical action possibly off the South Atlantic coast of the United States. Here we go. This is the upper air look. The ridge will be expanding in coming days, providing hotter and drier weather. But today, we've still got a number of showers and storms around. That's the visible satellite view this afternoon. For some areas, the sun is shining. For other locations, it is absolutely pouring. That was the radar composite. Around 2 o'clock this afternoon, you can see heavy downpours at that point from near Lake Martin down toward Montgomery, and those will continue at times through tonight. But really, after today, the storm should be very widely spaced across the state. Temperatures are around 90 in most spots, Birmingham at 89. There's the watch warning map across the country. A few scattered heat advisories showing up as the ridge begins to flex its muscles. Out in the west, we have flash flood watches for parts of the Southeast U.S. and red flag warnings for parts of Montana for the wildfire danger there. Got a risk of severe storms through tonight way up north, parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin. Tomorrow, a marginal risk and a slight risk for parts of the Great Lakes region, including Chicago and Detroit. And day 3, which is Sunday, a marginal risk from Ohio up into parts of New England. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Biggest numbers of all places, Arizona. That happens sometimes in late summer, mid to late summer, where they've got the monsoon flow. Here, rain amounts generally under 1/2 inch for the next 7 days. And in the tropics, we've got this disturbance off the South Atlantic coast. And the Hurricane Center now giving this a 40% chance of developing over the next 2 days and the next 5 days. We'll look at modeling. This is Invest 90L. And the one thing, the steering currents are just non-existent, so it's not going anywhere in the short term. And it's really got 2 options to get out of there. One is to escape to the northeast as the westerlies pick it up. The other is to come underneath a ridge and pushing it back into the Gulf of Mexico. And there is not any confidence in any specific solution at this point. The steering currents are going to be light. This is the intensity guidance. We see no guidance showing a hurricane here. A few do pop this up to a tropical storm. The name will be Fred if it gets a name. But again, for now, it's just something to watch. Let's go to the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. You can see that ridge nosing in here from the west. And again, we're trending hotter and drier. Now, understand, there will be storms around, but they will be very widely spaced. Many places dry. Chance of any one spot getting wet, 10 to 20%. Highs in the low 90s. Same thing on Sunday. And quite frankly, that's the theme for next week. Here's Monday and Tuesday. Hot and muggy with low 90s. A few pop-up storms, but they'll be very widely scattered. Same thing Wednesday and Thursday. If you like the numbers game, the chance of any one spot getting wet, 15 to 20%. A week from today, Friday, July 30th. Again, the ridge nosing in from the west, and that looks awfully quiet. Hot and muggy, maybe a pop-up storm, but a lot of places will be dry. We'll go out 10 days. This is Monday, August 2nd. Big upper low north of New England and Canada. Westerlies kind of dropping a little farther to the south, and that looks relatively wet, but we all know that could easily change. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the 8th of August. Highs in the low to mid-90s. Lows low to mid-70s for a while. And the CPC outlook right off the presses here. This is for July 31st through August the 6th. If this is right, temperatures here would be a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. My next video will be in early August. I'll be taking next week on vacation. We'll have Taylor Serralo filling in on the television side. We have notes over on the blog. If you can watch us this evening, we'd love that. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.